joy in mundane activities, how to make it happen. It is so easy in these modern times to get caught up in life's hustle and bustle. We are always being bombarded with information and the pressure to succeed, which at times makes it very hard to enjoy the simple things. It is, however, important to remember that joy is all around us. We just need to take some time to look for it. Here's how to find joy in some of the most mundane things in life. Be present. When doing, focus on that one thing at the moment and on the process thereof. Appreciate the small things. Take time and notice the beauty around you, for example, a beautiful sunset or a good meal. Connect with others. Spend your time with loved ones and build meaning from this. Do something you enjoy. Make time for activities which bring joy, be it reading, hiking, or even playing music. Practice gratitude. Take time out every day thinking of the things you're thankful for. Treat yourself with compassion. Stop beating yourself up over the fact that you don't have everything together. Enjoy the process. I encourage you to take time out every day and delight in the everyday. It will make a great difference in your life. Some additional tips for joy in the ordinary. Take out some time every day to spend doing something enjoyable. Connect with nature. Take time out to stay outdoors and cherish the beauty around you. Help others. The devotion of your time to help others is a gratifying feeling. Be present. Be mindful of the moment that is now and relish the experience. Take care of yourself. Keep healthy both body and mind by eating well, sleeping adequately, and exercising regularly. Remember, joy is not something that happens to us, it's something we create for ourselves. So take a few minutes each day to find the joy in the ordinary. It will make a big difference in your life. What do you especially love doing to capture the joy in the everyday? Share your tips in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to live a happier life.